Are you looking for the best DIY OBD2 scanner? In this video we will break down top 5 best DIY OBD2 scanner on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, Ansel, model name, V5 BT. The Ansel V5 BT OBD2 is a professional-grade automotive diagnostic scanner that features a dedicated Android tablet for wireless communication with the vehicle's computer. Experience comprehensive full-system diagnostics, including maintenance services and bidirectional control across all modules for pinpoint accuracy. It is an ideal tool for serious DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics due to its advanced features and robust construction. The device is a dedicated Android 10.0 tablet with a 7-inch responsive touchscreen and a rugged, high-quality casing. The 5000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance. It uses a Bluetooth dongle that plugs into the car's OBD2 port, enabling wireless diagnostic tests from up to 33 feet away. Experience enhanced stability and faster data transmission with Bluetooth connectivity. The V5 BT can perform in-depth analysis of all available vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, TPMS and more. It can read and clear codes, read ECU information and display data streams. The tool offers a wide range of reset and service functions, including oil reset, electronic parking brake reset, diesel particulate filter regeneration, battery management system reset, TPMS reset, throttle adaptation and injector coding. Number 4. Brand name, Foxwell, model number, NT1009. The Foxwell NT1009 designed with a simple and intuitive interface, ensuring quick navigation and accessibility for both beginners and experienced technicians, streamlining the diagnostic process. Equipped with a vibrant 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen, the Foxwell NT1009 OBD2 scanner is engineered for easy navigation and user interaction and runs on an Android 9.0 operating system. It also has a powerful processor and a large battery for all-day use. The lightweight interface, available in multiple languages, makes it accessible to a diverse range of users, enhancing the overall experience. Its backlit color display ensures visibility even in low-light environments, making it a reliable companion during late-night repairs or diagnostics. With built-in battery support and memory storage of 64 GB, you can take your scanner anywhere without worrying about charging or lack of space for data recording. The Foxwell NT1009 support for over 35 plus special functions, along with detailed system diagnoses of critical car components, ensures quick identification and resolution of issues. Imagine a tool that not only detects faults but also allows you to program keys and configure ECUs efficiently, significantly reducing downtime and repair costs. Number 3. Brand name, Foxwell, model number, NT809. The Foxwell NT809 is an Android-based, full-system diagnostic scan tool designed for mechanics and DIY users. It features a 7-inch touchscreen and offers extensive functions, including bidirectional control, all-system diagnostics, and over 30 service reset functions for a wide range of vehicles. The intuitive interface and responsive touchscreen make navigation and operation a breeze. The build quality is robust, and the device feels durable and well constructed. The frequent software updates ensure that the scanner is always up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. The NT809 vehicle code reader delivers in-depth diagnostics for the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS and all systems, reading fault codes and live data. Real-time data is visualized in easy-to-read charts, simplifying analysis, storage and future playback, making problem detection effortless for any DIY enthusiast. 32 GB ROM, 4000 mAh battery and sleek ergonomic design, the NT809 delivers powerful performance in a compact package. This scanner offers bidirectional scanning for all systems, ensuring thorough diagnostics of vehicle performance issues and facilitating effective troubleshooting. The device can be updated with new features and vehicle models via a one-click Wi-Fi update directly on the tablet. Number 2. Brand name, Muker, model number, 892BT. The Muker 892BT is an AI-assisted, bidirectional OBD2 scanner designed for both professional mechanics and serious DIY enthusiasts. It comes with its own 8-inch Android tablet, connects wirelessly via Bluetooth and offers full system diagnostics and advanced ECU coding. The tool also provides free lifetime software updates. The tool uses an intelligent AI system to analyze fault codes and provides tailored, step-by-step repair guidance. A built-in chatbot is available for troubleshooting assistance. With this car scanner diagnostic for all cars, you can access and modify certain hidden or advanced settings in a vehicle to make your general model a deluxe car. The Muker 892BT gives you professional-level access to manage and reset immobilizer functions, putting dealership tools in your hands. The tool offers a wide array of service functions, including oil reset, electronic parking brake reset, steering angle sensor calibration, battery management system reset, throttle relearn and injector coding. Unlike many professional-grade tools, the 892BT provides free lifetime software updates for all supported vehicle brands without any subscription fees. Number 1. Brand name, Kingbolen, model number, S6. The Kingbolen S6 OBD2 Scanner is an Android-based, full-system diagnostic tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. The device connects to your vehicle wirelessly via Bluetooth, allowing you to perform diagnostics from a distance. It features a touchscreen tablet interface, a wide range of reset functions, and lifetime free software updates. It can diagnose over 90 vehicle brands and includes more than 28 service and reset functions. A Bluetooth dongle plugs into the vehicle's OBD2 port, allowing you to use the handheld tablet wirelessly from up to 10 meters away. The S6 features a large 5.99-inch touchscreen display, though its size is inconsistently reported. This provides a clear and high-definition viewing experience for navigating menus and viewing data. The display is powered by an Android operating system, which provides a user-friendly interface. The scanner includes features to capture screenshots and record the diagnostic process, which is useful for sharing data with colleagues or customers. The screen can display real-time sensor data in a graphical format. It can plot up to 4 data streams on a single graph, allowing for easy comparison and analysis of vehicle performance. This automotive diagnostic scanner can provide you with a smoother and faster diagnosis.